What is the given amount converted to the named unit if we have 15 kilograms and we're asked to put it in grams? So 15 kilograms will be our starting value. That tells me 1 kilogram needs to go on the bottom, and the equivalent of 1,000 grams needs to be on the top, so that we're multiplying by something equal to 1. That gets us from kilograms to grams, which is the unit that has been requested. So we can see that there are 15,000 grams in 15 kilograms. 5 feet going to inches. We know in 1 foot we have 12 inches, and that's all we need for a conversion. So that's 60 inches in 5 feet. 136.8 inches going to yards. Since there are 36 inches in a yard, I've got the inches on the bottom to cancel the inches on the top, rather than multiplying in this case, because we're going from a small unit to a big unit, and because we can see that 36 is in the denominator, I'm going to divide the 136.8 by the 36. And so we have that there are 38 yards when there are 136.8 inches. For 6,460 minutes to days, we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 24 hours in 1 day. Again, we have a division problem rather than a multiplication problem because we're going from something small to something big. So in the numerator, we will have to multiply. In the denominator, we will have to multiply, but then we'll divide from there. You do have the option of reducing by a factor of 10, just to type a little bit less into your calculator. We get an approximate answer of 4.486, or approximately 4.949 days. 25 yards going to feet. So if I have 25 yards, we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. So that's a simple one-step conversion, and it's just a multiplication. There's 75 feet in 25 yards. When we convert a rate, we're dealing with a numerator and a denominator at the same time. So we want to remember that 30 feet per second means in every 1 second, 30 feet are traveled. So 30 feet is in the numerator and 1 second is in the denominator. We're going to miles per hour. So first, we can say that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. The 5,280 needed to be in the denominator since feet were originally in the numerator. That takes care of miles, so now we just need to get to hours. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that takes us, the feet are out of there, the seconds are out, and the minutes are out. We now have miles per hour. So we can go ahead, everything that's in the numerator will multiply, everything that's in the denominator will multiply, and then we'll divide from there. So we end up with approximately 2.045. 45 is repeating. So this would be approximately 2.05 miles per hour. The CN Tower in Toronto, Canada is about 1,815 feet tall. About how many meters tall is the tower? Using the conversion factor of 1 feet is approximately equal to 0.305 meters, we can set up our problem with the 1,815 feet. And we know that there's 1 foot for about 0.305 meters. That gets us straight from feet to meters, which is all the problem's asking. So we can go ahead and multiply those two numbers, and we'll see that we have 553.575 meters for the height of that tower. The next problem deals with a monetary exchange rate. So this isn't one that we would probably look up. This is one that we're just going to use what's given to us in the problem. Monetary exchange rates change from day to day. On a particular day, the exchange rate for dollars to euros was about $1 equals 0.63 euros. About how many euros could you get for $325 that day. So I want to end up with euros. I'm starting with dollars. So I have $325. I know that $1 is approximately equal to 0.63 euros. So the dollars cancel, and I can see that I can multiply and find out that this would give us 204 and 75 cents for the euros. Don't write a dollar sign there.